Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley!
For today's vlog, manonood pa rin tayo ng up-close and personal video ng ating Miss Universe Philippines delegates. This time is for Quezon Province, that's Atisa Manalo. And this one is a personality interview challenge. Ang mananalo sa challenge na ito with the most number of votes sa Miss Universe Philippines app ay magkakaroon ng automatic spot sa semifinals. To vote for Atisa Manalo, just
download the Miss Universe Philippines app and then go to the challenge vote tab. Third tab found at the bottom part of the app. Tapos scroll down and vote for the one you think you should win the challenge.
Kung tingin nyo si Atisa na yun, so just vote for Atisa Manalo. And without any further ado, let's watch this. And before that, tingnan muna natin yung kanyang outfit sa challenge na to, interview challenge na to. Favorite talaga niya yung ganyang kulay.
Oo.
And
so,
it looks good on her.
Formal. It's very light sa kanya talaga. Alam mo yun,
very
positive.
Executive. Like that.
Na hindi
intimidating.
Intimidating.
So, friendly, parang gano'n yung dating niya na type of executive.
The thing that I was really excited to do last year was to visit my father in Finland. I have never met him in person.
Very personal.
I was really excited to do that, but unfortunately, circumstances, I wasn't able to. But that's something that is still on top of my bucket list right now.
Yes.
May essence dun sa kanyang pagkatao.
Oo.
Diba?
Yun yung, that's what I love about her. Kung ano yung kailangan, yung binibigay niya. For this instance, personality kasi siya. So, kailangan dapat personal. Diba?
Na meron talagang touch sa kanyang puso.
That's how we get to know her better. Ikaw naman, anong bucket list mo?
Why? Siguro ang bucket list ko is gusto ko talaga mag-travel sa Greece.
Ay, wow.
Kasi I was so in love with Greek mythology nung high school ako. Kasi di ba may United Nations Day. So doon, may time or may year na third year ata. Tapos Greece yung namin, tapos gumawa kami Mount Olympus sa Rome and all that. So parang na-amazed lang ako and yeah.
Wow, gusto mo maging
Greek goddess.
Goddess.
I don't know if I want everyone to know about it, but I want everyone to think that I'm funny. I think when someone is funny, I think that they're intelligent, and I really appreciate it when people can make other people laugh.
Agree ako na to be funny is to be it
takes a lot of intelligence.
Brain cells.
Ayun naman, tsaka ang kay Atisa naman kasi parang dahil dun sa stature niya, dun sa kanyang personality na yung pagiging beauty queen niya, hindi mo kasi iisipin na may funny side siya, na may lighter side siyang gano'n na parang easy to approach din siguro siya. That's why minsan parang we tend to misjudge other people, most especially yung mga tao na meron ng narating. Kasi meron na tayong notion na ganyan yan, magdita yan, keme-keme.
Sa akin, Atisa is medyo napapalabas niya yung carefree side niya, yung careless side niya.
Siguro sa MUPH.
Sa MUPH.
Unlike
before na talagang kailangan pressured na ganito dapat yung itsura, polish, queenly, ganyan. Pero right now, we can see her other side, kumbaga, yung funny side, ganyan.
That's tough. I know it sounds cliche, but I don't want to change anything about my personality. But if there's really something that I have to change, it would be my overthinking. I tend to think about a lot of things for a long time, especially if I really care about it. So if I can remove that aspect of my life, I think I'd be better off without it.
Yeah.
That's so nice. Like, and also yung aura niya doon na she's really trying to be light lang yung mood, and then ini-enjoy niya talaga tong journey na to with of course the other girls din, di ba? Ang hirap naman talaga maging overthinker, like hindi pa nangyayari, nag-overthink ka na ganyan.
Kasi yun parang inner sabotage, sabi nga nila RuPaul, na palaging may inisip na matatalo ka or hindi mag-fail yung plan mo or ano bang gagawin sa plan mo, ganyan. Pero I think kasi si Atisa, parang lumalabas din yung pagka-overthinker niya eh. Kasi I feel like yung mga ginagawa niya is planado eh. So, may bright side, may
pero somehow, sobrang makakita mo talaga na ini-enjoy niya yung kanyang whole journey sa Miss Universe Philippines 2020.
Which is very, very important for the girls.
If gusto nyo manalo si Atisa for this challenge and automatically enters the semifinals, which is parang hindi naman malabong mangyari, don't forget to download the Miss Universe Philippines app and go to the vote tab and click, hanapin nyo lang si Atisa doon and vote for her. So,
vote, ganyan na lang. Vote.
So yun guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan nyo nung kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!